लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन आज के टाइम पे हर जगह है. एवरी सिंगल पर्सन इज टॉकिंग अबाउट इट. बहुत सारे वीडियोस बनते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा व्यूज़ भी आते हैं. बट वाई इज़ इट सो कि हम में से कुछ लोग या बहुत सारे लोग आई वुड से व्हेन वी ट्राई टू यूज लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन फॉर आवर बेनिफिट, firstly we don't feel that kind of fulfillment while doing it कि yes I deserve it, you know, that unworthiness वाली feeling रह जाती है. And secondly, so many of the times, no matter how positive affirmations we say, no matter how much visualization we do, things don't seem to change. Why is it so? How can you change it? All of this in this video. Hey there, welcome to the channel. My name is Jasleen और आज के इस वीडियो में I'll be sharing with you 3 myths or 3 mistakes that you might be doing in practicing law of attraction in your life, जिसकी वजह से आपकी लाइफ पहले से ज़्यादा miserable, confused और messed up हो गई है. आपका वो पीस ऑफ माइंड चला गया है. आप विजुअलाइजेशन करने जाते हो एंड यू डोंट फील गुड. आप पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग करने की कोशिश करते हो बट नेगेटिव थॉट्स हावी हो जाते हैं. एंड देन द पैनिक की नेगेटिव थॉट्स वुड क्रिएट माय नेगेटिव रियलिटी. आई विल नॉट गेट माय डिजायर. What you can do in that situation, how can you deal with it, and how can you actually get your desires? This video is going to answer all of these questions. Keep watching till the end and start with what resonates with you, क्योंकि हर वीडियो में एक्चुअली जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन आप लेते हो, रेजोनेंस इज योर की. जो चीज़ आपके साथ क्लिक करती है ना, अगर आप उससे चालू करते हो, आपके स्टेप्स आगे अलाइन होते जाते हैं. सो डोंट ट्राई टू फोर्स एनीथिंग. टेक व्हाट फील्स लाइटर, व्हाट रेजोनेट्स विद यू, एंड आई एम श्योर by the end of this video you would actually know why law of attraction is not working for you, number one, and how can you get to the life of your dreams, number two. So let's begin. Number one, fearing your negative thoughts. ये हर उस इंसान के साथ एक ना एक बार ज़रूर होता है जो लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन यूज़ करने की कोशिश करता है. बिकॉज उसमें साफ साफ चीज़ें बोली जाती है, लाइक अट्रैक्ट्स लाइक, थॉट्स क्रिएट योर रियलिटी, राइट? विच इज़ नॉट रॉन्ग, ऑल्दो, बट विच इज़ नॉट completely what it actually is. What I mean by this is, अगर आपके नेगेटिव थॉट्स में इतना पावर होता ना कि वो आपकी नेगेटिव रियलिटी क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, तो अभी तक आप वहाँ नहीं होते जहाँ आप हो. अभी तक आप ये वीडियो नहीं देख रहे होते. हम सब अपनी लाइफ में हर टाइम या किसी ना किसी पॉइंट में नेगेटिव थॉट्स से डील करते हैं, चाहे वो फियर हो, डाउट हो, शेम हो, गिल्ट हो, सो मेनी थिंग्स. बट वी आर स्टिल स्टैंडिंग, ब्रीदिंग, ईटिंग हियर, राइट? कुछ तो और चीज़ होगी ना जो इससे ऊपर है, जो आपके थॉट से ऊपर है, राइट? एंड दैट इज दैट सोर्स एनर्जी, दैट लव फोर्स. एंड दैट इज द कैच विच नो वन टॉक्स अबाउट. दे एक्चुअली टॉक अबाउट इट बट वो छिपा रह जाता है बिकॉज दे टॉक अबाउट फ्रीक्वेंसीज, हायर फ्रीक्वेंसी, वाइब ऑन अ हायर फ्रीक्वेंसी, एंड you will get what you want. But actually that high frequency might sometimes overwhelm you. You might feel a pressure to be on a high frequency, और अगर ये आपके साथ होता है, don't ever try to do that. Rather, replace that high frequency word firstly with a light frequency. Try to be on a light frequency. And number two, just remember your negative thoughts have no power to create your reality. ऐसा इसलिए है because हमारे thoughts actually things में बदलते हैं. उसका एक बहुत strong force होता है, that is love. The love we have for our desires, the love we have for ourselves, the love we feel when we dream a dream. जब हम सपने देखते हैं ना, हम उन्हें कोशिश नहीं करते हैं पूरा करने की. वी जस्ट नो कि ये मेरा सपना है, ये पूरा होगा. और उसमें अगर हमारे माइंड में फियर या डाउट भी आता है ना, वी डोंट से कि यार इट विल रूइन मी. वी ट्राई टू हैंडल इट, वी ट्राई टू हैंडल आवरसेल्व्स. बट जब हम उसे लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन के पर्सपेक्टिव से देखते हैं, फ्रीक्वेंसीज के पर्सपेक्टिव से देखते हैं, इट इज ऑल्दो सिमिलर, बट क्योंकि वो प्रेजेंट ऐसे किया जाता है या इंटरप्रेट ऐसे हो जाता है, वी स्टार्ट फियरिंग आवर ओन थॉट्स एंड वी फील लाइक कि यार अगर मैंने एक भी थॉट नेगेटिव सोच लिया ना, देन माई रियलिटी विल माई मैनिफेस्टेशन विल डिले. आई विल क्रिएट अ नेगेटिव रियलिटी. एंड स्पेशली अगर आप किसी टफ टाइम से गुजर रहे हो, अगर आप एक इलनेस से गुजर रहे हो, ये मेरी स्टोरी थी कुछ टाइम पहले तक. अगर आपका बिजनेस अच्छा नहीं चल रहा है, यू आर ट्राइंग योर बेस्ट बट नहीं मिल रहे हैं रिजल्ट, या फिर योर रिलेशनशिप हैज फॉलन अपार्ट, उस टाइम पे इफ समवन कम्स एंड टेल्स यू क्रिएट योर ओन रियलिटी, डू यू रियली थिंक इट विल हेल्प? तो अगर आप ये करते हो तो प्लीज करना बंद कर दो. स्टॉप सेइंग दिस टू एवरी सिंगल पर्सन यू मीट, यू क्रिएट योर ओन रियलिटी. यू रियली डोंट नो व्हाट देयर सर्कमस्टेंसेस आर, ओके? एंड नंबर टू, स्टॉप लिसनिंग टू सच काइंड ऑफ नॉनसेंस. Yes, you create your reality, but it is not just through your thoughts or your negative thoughts did this or that. ये blame और judgment ना किसी की help नहीं करता. You actually create your reality by the love that you have within you, by the love जो automatically flow होता है towards your dreams and desires. Okay, so when you have a negative thought, and yes, I'm nowhere saying कि positive thoughts का फायदा नहीं होता या thoughts do not create your reality, they absolutely do. But उसका actually mechanism, if I can explain you and if you are willing to listen, it is your thoughts actually make you feel a different way. Every thought has a different feeling, right? And every feeling and every thought combination may describes your perception of the world, your perception of a reality. If you want to check it out, जब आप एक अच्छे मूड में होते हो, suppose your crush texted you, or suppose you got a promotion, or you got a really good result, उस दिन आपको आके कोई ताना भी मार देगा ना, you wouldn't bother, you would just f them away and you would be like कि छोड़ो यार, मेरा मूड अच्छा है, why to spoil it. But उसी का उल्टा, when you are in a low mood, when you are already feeling low, when your thoughts are not at a good pace, कोई आपको जरा सा भी कुछ बोल देता ना, we get triggered. So it's not that it is creating a reality, it is actually shifting our perspective. We are more or less confident by the way we feel and by the way we think, and this is how we actually create a reality through our thoughts. And I think this is a more appropriate way for so many of us to understand it, rather than just thinking about ki I have to be on a higher frequency, or I have to do this, or I have to do that. And yes, I get a little angry, I'm very sorry, not in a disrespectful way, but it makes so many of us overwhelmed. It makes so many of us feel like, yaar, what am I doing wrong? Why am I not getting the result? And I've read these kind of comments in so many videos under these law of attraction, videos. Why is my desire not manifesting? So if you do that, and if you fear your negative thoughts, please stop doing that. They really do not have any power to create your reality. Your well-being is so much more. You are so much more divinely guided in your life that you cannot even imagine. And when you change the perception of your own negative situations, जब आप उन्हें एक blame के perspective से देखना shift करके you see it as a divine guidance which is trying to tell you something, and you start asking it, what is there in this for me? How can I handle this in a better way? You don't care about law of attraction, your desires, you learn from it, you grow from it, और आपके लिए चीजें already align होती है. You don't have to really work or sit and do this or do that. So if this concept does not work for you, and if you are fearing your negative thoughts, or if you are getting overwhelmed by it, please don't blame yourself or fear your negative thoughts. Love them and let them be. उसमें dwell करने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है, उन्हें मानने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. Just love them because they are there for a reason, and you can know that अगर आप मेरे कुछ पिछले videos को check करेंगे तो कि ऐसा क्यों होता है, and you can work on it. Otherwise, just love them and let them be. Don't try to be positive. Don't try to be on a higher frequency when you are not. Just let your negative thoughts be. And secondly, remember, your love creates your reality, not your thoughts, not let alone your thoughts actually. So when you think a thought with the love, with the appreciation, you don't even think like I have to create it. You live in that moment and it automatically happens. And this is the real concept of law of attraction. Learn from the best teacher, Abraham Hicks. If you want, you can check them out as well. They also talk about vibrations and frequencies, but मेरा interpretation इसका ये है, तो अगर ये आपके साथ resonate करता है, please take it. Otherwise, जो आपके लिए work करता है, आप उसके साथ continue कर सकते हो. And again, this is not to bash anyone और say कि ये गलत है, वो गलत है. Everything works for everybody. अगर आपके लिए work नहीं करता है, you can try this. Number 2, trying to feel good even when you don't feel like feeling good. This happens with so many of us if we try to vibe high and all of that when you are really feeling low. When किसी ने आपको hurt कर दिया, किसी ने आपको disappoint कर दिया, कोई failure आ गया, and you will, हमारा genuine reaction होता है यार, we feel low, but then it's like, oh no, I have to create my reality. Oh no, I have to be on a positive web. Oh no, ये तो और negativity create कर देगा मेरी life में, और आधा burden तो हमारा वही होता है. So if this happens to you, stop then and there, be with your emotions, you have not come here to run away from your emotions. अगर नहीं होने होते ना आपके emotions तो वो होते ही नहीं. They are seriously guidance for you कि वहाँ पे एक चीज़ है जो आपको hurt कर रही है. What is that? Get to know that. Get to know yourself through those emotions, through those hurts, through those judgments. And once you start taking those emotions not as something that is going to ruin your reality, but actually something that is going to make you, that is going to build you, you really start automatically vibing high, vibing light, being in more love, being in more joy. So next time when you have a negative emotion, just ask it this one simple question. What are you trying to tell me? और आप थोड़ा सा वेट करोगे ना, you will get the answer. Maybe you will hear कि you are trying too hard, or maybe you will hear I am sad, or maybe you will hear I feel guilty because I did this wrong, or I feel hurt because that person said something this to me. And just sit with that, love that like a little child. I'm sharing this a lot in my videos because this really helps in so many ways. So you can give this a try if you want, and you will seriously automatically start feeling lighter and feeling in love with yourself and love with your life, and automatically create a reality जो आप कब से चाह रहे थे. Abraham Hicks का एक concept है that I would like to share here, which I really resonate with. Although उनकी बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो मुझे कभी frustrate भी कर देती है, but then I have to get back to what works for me, and this is one of them. It's like universe already knows what you want. They talk about a vortex, a vibrational reality which we all create when we have our bad moments. And our inner being part, our non-physical part, or our soul, our spirit, it knows what we want. It knows how we can get there. We have to start connecting to ourselves. We have to start connecting to it. And sometimes, yes, you have to ignore the emotions and you have to take the step and feel good or whatever. But many a times you have to sit with that emotion as well, the inner work. That is so many of the times required. But law of attraction की वजह से हम अपने emotions को mask करने लगते हैं. We start putting a happy face sticker on a empty gas gauge. ये अब्राहम हिक्स की analogy है. जब गाड़ी में पेट्रोल खत्म हो जाता है तो आप उसके मीटर के ऊपर एक happy face sticker नहीं लगा देते. You get and fill, you go to the petrol pump and fill the petrol. So when you feel down, rather than masking it with a positive feeling or a thought जो आप genuinely feel ही नहीं कर रहे हो, understand what is actually going on, what went wrong, what it is trying to tell you. Work on that and you will come up. You will automatically come up. Try this for once. Rather than trying to mask your emotions, you will seriously see a very, very big difference in your life and in your vibe as well. The third and the last and the most important, you're trying too hard to manifest your desire. You created your desire. It is yours. But what happens when we try to manifest it is हमें लगता है कि अगर ये desire नहीं है ना तो मैं कुछ भी नहीं हूँ. Although I am not saying it is not important, of course it is, it means a lot. But it was you who at the first place dreamt it, thought of it, wanted it. So don't lose yourself in that journey. Visualization, affirmations and every single technique or tool का एक बहुत important purpose होता है, and that is to bring you in alignment with your own self, with your own soul. हर visualization technique में, हर affirmation में, there is a thing that is said कि you have to be relaxed. When you're visualizing, just get into the feeling of it and then let it go. Forget about it. But we get attached to the thing and we feel like अब होगा, मेरे तरीके से होगा, which does not happen. Then we start doubting the process of visualization. We stop enjoying it. थोड़े टाइम के लिए तो हम करते हैं, रिजल्ट नहीं दिखता, we stop enjoying it. It becomes a burden, a rule जिसे हमें फॉलो करना है और हमें लगता है कि अगर ये नहीं किया तो रिजल्ट तो मिलेगी ही नहीं मेरी. और वो टिप्स और टेक्निक्स के ट्रैप में हम फंस जाते हैं और ये भूल जाते हैं कि if I can create this desire, if I can generate this desire, why can't it be mine? If you want to manifest your desires through law of attraction, take your desires as your dreams rather than a project or a goal that you have to reach to. When you dream a dream, आप उसमें खो जाते हो. You don't care how it is going to come. You don't care what technique you are using. You don't care if you feel sad. You just know this is my dream. I want it and I'm going to get it no matter what. आपका doubt आता है, आप उसे संभाल लेते हो. आप खुद को soothe करते हो. आप खुद को encourage करते हो. You don't feel अरे यार doubt खराब कर देगा, अरे यार fear खराब कर देगा, right? start doing those basics back, because that is what actually law of attraction is, जो misinterpret होता जा रहा है बहुत ज़्यादा बहुत सारे लोगों के थ्रू। और इसी की वजह से हम उसे कुछ और समझ लेते हैं, which actually it is not. It is a law of the universe. Like yes attracts to the like. Your thoughts yes create your reality. But इस सब में you know what is the common and most powerful thing? You. How do you feel about yourself? How do you see your thoughts? How do you see your life? अगर वहीं पे you have a premise कि I am not worthy, I am not good enough, or you know मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा, then that technique cannot get you anything. That technique is for you to come back in alignment with yourself, your true nature. तो अगर आपके लिए law of attraction work नहीं कर रहा है, if your efforts are making you more miserable, you really need to step back, stop all of it, and really be with yourself for some time. Just don't do anything, surrender everything to the universe. Say this thing, I surrender it to you, universe or God. Please bring me what's of the highest good for me. और जब आप इन छोटी छोटी चीज़ों को फिर अपने विजुअलाइजेशन एफर्मेशन के साथ कंबाइन करते हो ना, जब वो एक टास्क ना हो कि इट्स अ फन प्रैक्टिस, you start seeing the magic that law of attraction can do for you. You know, this is a very beautiful quote by late mentor, teacher and speaker Dr. Wayne Dyer. You don't attract what you think you want. You attract who you are. So ask yourself who you are. और उसको जानने का और उसमें इवॉल्व होने का सबसे अच्छा तरीका है टू नो योर सेल्फ, अंडरस्टैंड योर सेल्फ, लव योर सेल्फ. सो डोंट डिपेंड टू मच ऑन द टेक्निक्स. डोंट थिंक लाइक ओनली द लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन कैन ब्रिंग यू योर डिजायर्स. नो, you will get what you want. Your desire in itself is enough to give you the manifestation of its reality. Just remember this. It's a side note by Abraham Hicks only. Your desire is powerful enough. इतना ज़्यादा मोमेंटम होता है हमारे डिज़ायर में कि यार बिलीव्स won't even matter उनके सामने. तो don't work too hard for manifestation. Rather work on the quality of your life, the quality of your thoughts, that I would say, जो आपके लिए appreciation में होने चाहिए for the efforts you are putting into your life, in your work. Be more open to yourself, generous and loving and kind towards yourself. See the world through a different lens. Try to find out things that make you smile, and work on yourself rather than trying to manifest your desires, because they are eventually yours. You created them. They are going to come to you. But if you cannot enjoy them, if you feel unworthy, you will उसके manifestation के बाद भी कोई मतलब नहीं होगा. And another note, very important, if you are going through a negative situation, don't try to force yourself to use law of attraction अगर वो work नहीं करता है आपके लिए. तो love yourself. Understand everything's happening for you and you are divinely guided. Your life is divinely guided. Ask for guidance, ask for help, and you will genuinely receive it. So these were the 3 mistakes or the 3 myths that I believe so many of us, कई बार हम इसके trap में फंस जाते हैं and we make our lives more miserable. I was one of them. I hope it helped you, it resonated with you to some level. If it did, please start following anything that you resonated with and be very easy and light about all of this, because we are really so much loved by the universe. We don't really sometimes realize it. हमें लगता है कि भगवान नहीं सुन रहे, but actually वो साथ में ही है, जानते हैं रास्ता क्या है. We just have to give him a little space to work. So I hope you would do that after watching this video. And again, don't be too hard on yourself for anything. You are really doing your best. Just remember that. Be very, very gentle and kind to yourself. And I am sure someday or the other, you will get every single thing that you desire. It's not a cliche line, it's a truth. I really pray this from all of my heart for you, and I really wish this for you. So this was the information that I wanted to share in this video, and if it helped you, if you liked it, do hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more such tips, tools and things. And also you can check out my Insta handle. Screen पे link दिख रहा होगा, sorry handle दिख रहा होगा. कार्ड्स पे आपको मेरे पिछले वीडियोस भी मिल जाएंगे. और अगर you want to know more about negative thoughts and stuff, आप मेरा पिछला वीडियो चेक कर सकते हो. It is all about why positive thinking does not work. It will be really helpful. And also मेरे दूसरे वीडियोस के लिंक्स भी आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डायरेक्टली मिल जाएंगे, आप वहाँ से भी देख सकते हो. I really hope you are doing good. Follow what resonated. Please don't forget about it, okay? And be very easy on yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take very good care of yourself, and remember, you deserve the world.